How to enable dark mode on TikTok on iPhone and Android. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So all you basically want to do is simply go to profile at the bottom right. And as you can tell, my TikTok is currently in light mode and I want to enable dark mode. So what I'm going to do is click on the three horizontal lines at the top right, go to settings and privacy. And once you're here in the settings, you want to scroll a bit down to see display. So once you see display, click on there. And here you can see dark mode, just like that. And that's how you can easily switch or enable dark mode on TikTok. So what you can also do is use device settings. Now, nothing really happened because my device is already on dark mode. But if I would put it to light mode, it will also automatically change. But of course, I like dark mode better. So I'm going to leave it just like that. But that's a pretty nice feature that you can choose as well. But this is how you do it. This is how you enable dark mode on TikTok. I hope that helps you out.